Creator China Tech Company Limited was established in 2001 and headquartered in Nanshan iPark of Shenzhen. Creator becomes one of the leading high-tech companies, which integrated R&D, manufacture, and marketing of card payment, cash payment, and online payment module. With the constantly study and research, Creator has developed 8 series of exquisite and innovative products: card reader, motorized reader, card issuing machine, dispenser, online payment module, etc. We have gotten 1 patent for invention, 15 utility model patents, 5 EMV certificates, CE compliance, multiple software copyrights, and a production license, etc. Creator has won the popularity with reliability, remarkable performance, and a reasonable price. CRT products have been widely applied and highly praised in the field of finance, telecom, transportation, and entertainment, etc. Our factory is located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen, and covers an area of 2,300 square meters. We have several standard production lines and engineer department, quality control, testing and processing equipment, etc. The largest of annual production capacity could reach to 3 million sets of producing all kinds of IC card, magnet card, RF card read and write, cash note, etc. Our mission, providing high-quality products and services, constantly create maximum value for our customers, being the payment industry leader in the world. Our vision, to enable safer, easier payments.